Hey there, fellow adventurers and future globetrotters. Get ready to dive deep into the thrilling world of budget air travel, because 2026 is shaping up to be an incredible year for exploring without emptying your wallet. The air travel landscape is constantly evolving, bringing more opportunities than ever before. For budget-conscious adventurers like us, the quest for affordable flights is paramount. We're all looking for those golden tickets that open up new horizons without breaking the bank. Today, we're focusing on the top budget airlines poised to truly dominate the skies in 2026. These carriers aren't just about getting you from point A to point B, they're about offering incredible value. They are unlocking travel possibilities that seemed out of reach just a few years ago. Get ready to discover how you can experience sky-high adventures for less. First up, let's talk about a true powerhouse in European skies, Ryanair. This airline is practically synonymous with budget travel across the continent. They've built their reputation on a no-frills approach, which allows them to offer those unbelievably low fares we all chase. Ryanair is expected to maintain its iron grip on European dominance well into 2026. Their strategy of aggressive pricing has made them a go-to choice for millions of travelers. They provide an extensive and ever-growing network of destinations connecting major cities and hidden gems alike. For anyone planning a European escapade on a budget, Ryanair remains an undeniable leader. They consistently deliver incredible value, making dream trips a reality. We anticipate continued expansion into even more routes, further solidifying their position. Their model thrives on ancillary revenue streams, which is crucial for budget travelers to understand. Things like baggage fees, seat selection, and in-flight purchases contribute significantly to their bottom line. This strategy allows them to keep the base ticket prices incredibly low, often just a few euros. Moving across the Atlantic, we have two strong contenders in the US market, Spirit Airlines and Frontier Airlines. These carriers are likely to remain key players for budget-savvy travelers in North America. They both thrive on offering incredibly low base fares, which initially grab everyone's attention. These ultra-low costs are designed to entice travelers with the promise of genuinely affordable travel. However, the key here is to be prepared for the extra charges that are part of their business model. Unlike full-service carriers, many common amenities come with an additional fee. This includes essential items like carry-on bags and any checked luggage. Even refreshments or snacks during your flight will usually incur a charge. Understanding these potential add-ons beforehand is crucial for a smooth and budget-friendly journey. Their success hinges on meticulously managing operational costs, allowing them to pass savings on to customers. They rely on maintaining a loyal customer base who understand and appreciate this unbundled experience. For many, the savings are well worth managing a few extra steps during booking. Now let's shine a spotlight on an emerging disruptor that's making waves, especially across Eastern Europe and beyond, Wizz Air. This airline has rapidly grown into a significant player in the budget travel sector. They've made a name for themselves by focusing on connecting underserved markets. Wizz Air offers incredibly competitive fares to a wide range of destinations, often places other airlines overlook. This strategic approach has fueled their rapid growth and expanded their reach considerably. We expect them to continue their impressive expansion, adding to both their fleet and route network. Their focus provides access to exciting and often unique destinations at truly attractive prices. For travelers looking to explore new regions or specific European locales, Wizz Air offers an appealing alternative. They are definitely an airline to keep on your radar for 2026 travel plans. Beyond these established players, the budget air travel landscape is constantly shifting. It's a dynamic environment where new budget airlines can emerge and existing ones must adapt. This continuous evolution means more choices and better deals for us, the travelers. We're seeing existing airlines constantly adapting to changing market demands, sometimes by introducing their own basic economy fares. This competitive pressure benefits consumers by driving down prices across the board. Keep an eye out for surprise contenders joining the budget scene. Several significant external factors profoundly impact the entire industry. Fuel prices, for instance, play a massive role in operational costs for every airline, budget or otherwise. Fluctuations here can directly affect ticket prices and route availability. Economic conditions also exert a strong influence on travel demand and airline strategies. In times of economic uncertainty, travelers prioritize affordability even more, making budget carriers indispensable. Understanding these broader trends can help you predict future travel deals. Technological advancements are another game changer. improving efficiency, and the overall travel experience. The role of innovation cannot be overstated in shaping the future of air travel. Airlines embracing these technologies are often the ones that succeed. Those investing in more fuel-efficient aircraft, for example, gain a significant competitive edge. This directly translates to lower operating costs and, ideally, more affordable fares for us. Furthermore, streamlining the booking process through intuitive apps and websites enhances convenience. Airlines that prioritize a seamless digital experience will attract and retain more budget-savvy travelers. Easy comparison tools, mobile check-in, and clear communication are all part of this modern approach. The future of budget travel is digital and highly efficient. So how do you unlock these affordable adventures in 2026? The absolute key is flexibility. Being open to different travel dates, times, and even alternative airports can lead to significant savings. Embrace the idea that your travel plans can be fluid. Thorough research is also incredibly important. Don't just jump on the first deal you see. Take the time to explore various options. There are many tools and websites designed to help you compare prices effectively across different airlines. Crucially, always compare prices across not just one budget airline, but several. What might be cheap on one carrier for a specific route could be even cheaper elsewhere. Patience and diligence here will truly pay off. Be mindful of baggage allowances and restrictions. This is where many budget travelers get caught out, racking up unexpected fees. Know the dimensions and weight limits for personal items and carry-ons before you book. Consider if you truly need a checked bag, or if you can pack light enough for just a personal item or carry-on. Many budget airlines charge per bag, so minimizing your luggage is a direct way to save money. Invest in smart packing techniques to avoid extra costs. A willingness to travel during off-peak seasons or less popular days of the week is another golden rule. Flying on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, or Saturdays often yields lower prices than peak weekend travel. Avoid major holidays if budget is your top priority. Embrace the core budget airline model. You pay for the flight, and everything else is an add-on. If you don't need fancy meals, extra legroom, or entertainment, then this model is perfect for you. It's about getting exactly what you need and nothing more. This approach is your ticket to global exploration without breaking the bank. By understanding how these airlines operate and adopting smart travel habits, you can make those sky-high adventures a reality. Your dream trips are more accessible than ever before. The future of travel is undoubtedly budget-friendly, and that's incredibly exciting for all of us. The airlines we've discussed today are truly leading the charge in this transformative trend. They are reshaping how we think about exploring the world. Ryanair, Spirit, Frontier, and Wizz Air, among others, are proving that incredible journeys don't require an enormous budget. With smart planning and a little flexibility, the world is genuinely at your fingertips. Get ready to explore more, experience more, and save more in 2026. Happy travels, and here's to many unforgettable adventures.